Welcome back, Glams. Today I bring you an eyebrow tutorial. So if you want to get your eyebrows snatched back, keep on watching.
So right now I'm going to get my eyebrow combing brush and I'm going to tame these brows. And as you can see, really you want to start off with some neat brows. You don't want them, so you need to go ahead and get your eyebrows waxed. So whatever you're going to get done to them, arch, whatever is your preference, you need to go ahead and get it done before you try to do your brows. And this is the LA Pro Girl pencil. And it also has a spoolie at the end of it too. So as of right now, I'm just doing light strokes to form my brow. And you want to be really, really, really light when you're at the front of your brow because you don't want it to be too dark at the front. You want your darkest part to be at the end. And you're going to continue to do light hair-like strokes. And that's me just looking to make sure that I'm doing everything like it's supposed to be done. And I will be putting everything that I use down in the description box. But the next thing I have is a liner brush and my LA Pro Girl concealer, which is in the color fawn. My camera wouldn't focus, so we're going to keep it moving, but it's LA Girl fawn. And I sculptured out the bottom of my brows first. Some people don't like to do the top, but I like to do the top just to clean it up. So on this video, you will see me do the top as well. And I also like to use my fingers at times too, because I feel like when you really want to get something blended, 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 use your fingers. I don't know why, that's just me. And as you can see, it blends well. Now I'm going to go and start with my top. And always remember that your eyebrows are twins, but they're not identical. They're fraternal twins. So therefore, they're not going to look just alike. So ladies, if you're trying to get it to where they look just alike, I'm sorry, hun. And oh, ooh, Millie rock. And you guys, this is about all I'm going to do to my brows. I'm going to come in with some foundation at the end, and it's going to be leftover foundation on my Real Technique sponge. And I'm going to clean it up that way with my sponge. But ladies, this is the end of my brow tutorial, and I will see you next Wednesday. And who knows what I might bring you.
I also wanted to introduce y'all to the new makeup that I've added to my collection that I love. So first thing first, I'm going to introduce you to the Morphe palette, and I think it's the 350 palette with these colors. Oh my god, y'all. Y'all sleeping on Morphe because their makeup is amazing, especially eyeshadow. And I also bought me a brush, and it's the M44 one. blending brush, and I love it as well. My makeup have never been blended out this well, so I absolutely love this too. And I also got the Real Technique sponge. What beauty blender? What? I don't even know what a beauty blender is now that I got this, honey. And it's cheap. It's only like $6.99. So I got that as well. And y'all, I finally got me some Fenty Beauty, honey. Yes. So I'm with Rihanna. Like, Riri, what's good? Like, she really did do that. Then I got some Tarte Shape Tape, and it is amazing. This is the best concealer that I have thus far. I did get me some NARS makeup too. So I got the NARS, and my shade is New Orleans. I got that foundation as well. So I want to try to get the NARS concealer too. So I need to go figure out my shade because I love that too. And I love the NARS foundation. So that's why I want to get the concealer. But when I got the Tarte, they gave me a free finishing spray, and y'all, they knew what they was doing when they sent me out this store with these, because they know I'm coming back for a bigger bottle. Come on, Tarte, you knew. So thank y'all for watching, and I love y'all so much. I'm up to 50 subscribers, and that might not mean much to anybody else, but it means a lot to me. So thanks y'all for subscribing, and I will be coming with some more videos. Just bear with me. So I'll see you next time, and honey, that is next Wednesday.